How's it going today, guys? Trucks and Water here, and today's video is going to be a brand new series on the channel. Matthew_Z71. I posted a picture on my Instagram story asking what kind of videos you all want to see, and I got some amazing feedback. I want to thank you all very much for that. If you don't already, follow me on my Instagram page. I do a lot of like sneak peeks and stuff like that, a lot of updates, stuff like that on there, so check that out. But anyways, one of the videos that was said was, again, like I said, by Matthew_Z71, says rate 5 trucks in each video, make it a series. And I think this is going to be awesome. So if you want to be part of this series, make sure you follow me on Instagram. I'll post a story saying, hey, shoot me a message if you want to be part of the rate my truck is what I'm going to call it. And I'm picking 5 per week. The only thing I ask, guys, and I'm not trying to be mean when I say this, but I do not want stock or basically stock trucks. And like, again, not trying to be mean to anybody because every build starts somewhere, but for this to really work out, I gotta have modified trucks so I can judge them on that. Also, if you get butt hurt real easily, do not shoot me your truck. I will be honest. Now, I have my own personal style. Is my truck perfect? Hell no, it's not. But there is certain things I don't like, and I will say that, but and within all respect, because it's your build, you build your truck the way you want to be built, and that's one of the main issues with the truck community is people are building trucks based on what other people have to say. But anyways, so we're going to start out this video on the rate my truck, and let's see here. The first guy I'm going to be talking about is none other than Justin Hawkins Smith. If you don't know who that is, then again, you probably lived beneath a rock your whole life, and or you haven't seen many of my videos. If you don't know, Justin has helped me a lot with my truck. He's the one that helped me design my track bars, build my track bars, and everything like that. I cannot be any more thankful for Justin. He has done such amazing work and helping me out, stuff like that. So if you don't already, follow him and follow his YouTube channel. Tag will be popping up for that. Make sure you check him out, guys. But he's got one of the baddest, and I'm talking the baddest 6.0 Powerstroke I have ever seen in my life. It's a very low mileage Powerstroke. I think it's still under 100,000 miles on it. And he's been building this thing for a while. He's had multiple suspension setups, multiple wheel setups, you name it, this kid's pretty much done it. But he finally bit the bullet, and he's got kind of a one-off striker lift on this truck. From what I understand, as of right now, or a little bit before when he had it on the truck initially, it was a one-of-one. Like, he was the only 6.0 to have this lift kit on his truck. Like I said, the guy is absolutely amazing. If you haven't seen the video, he did stop by my house to show it off to me when he was heading down a rod run this year and back in the fall. So Ty be popping up to that. Man, I absolutely love your build. Is it done yet? No, this truck is nowhere near done. He's got a lot more stuff coming for this truck. We are doing the collab when the weather, because I live in East Tennessee, he lives north of me in Eastern Kentucky. And the weather right now in January and February and a little bit into March is always hit or miss. We can have some really good days and, like right now, some really crappy days. But we will be getting together soon to do a collab video and stuff like that. Absolutely, the guy is absolutely awesome. Justin is one of the most funniest dudes I ever met, most down-to-earth dude I ever met. And he'll say it like it is, which I very, very much appreciate. So, if you haven't already, follow him and his 6.0 build. Buddy, I cannot wait to see what more comes to this truck because it is an absolute fantastic build. So, moving on from Justin, my next guy on the list is none other than, like initial of this video, Matthew_Z71. So Matthew, I do want to say thank you so much for giving me this idea. I very much appreciate it. If you don't know, me and Matt have probably been talking since he had his truck leveled on like 22x12s. It's been that long ago. And we finally got to meet this year in Daytona. I'm sure pictures are popping up of us in Daytona this past year. absolutely love your truck, buddy. I love the 6.0. I love the 6.0. I love the 6-inch lift on it. It looks absolutely amazing. The 24x14s you had on there look absolutely fantastic on it. If you don't know, guys, he just recently, like as of like a week ago, is doing an LS swap in this truck. So he is LS swapping this truck, which I plan on doing something similar to that again once I get a tow rig for this rig and get some of my life in order. Absolutely love the truck. I cannot wait to see what he does. Him and another guy have some really big plans for their OBSs, and I cannot wait to see what they're going to do with their OBS trucks. It's awesome seeing guys like this keeping up with the OBSs, not selling them, building them, changing things up, you know, everything like that. I'm trying to convince him right now to get an iPad dash for it. Buddy, just, you know, just thinking out for you a little bit there. But anyways, down to earth dude, very humble. Me and him instantly got along. Just an awesome guy to be around, and I can't thank him enough for all that he's also done for me and helped me out and shouted me out and stuff like that. So thank you, buddy. I really much appreciate it. I love your build. So the next guy on the list is D Minert. I hope I said that right, man. I'm sorry if I don't. I'm horrible, absolutely horrible with names. The funny thing about this guy is he's got a similar color truck as me. The difference in them is mine is a four-wheel drive, his is a two-wheel drive. But he says where he lives, he gets mistaken for me all the time, which I can kind of see why. But I absolutely love the build, man. Love the way you're going with it. I'm glad you're doing your own style. A lot of people want to copy other people, which is fine. Like, take notes from other people and see how they're doing it and help you out. That's perfectly good. But I love the fact that he put his own flair into his OBS Chevy. It's got a camper top on it. It's got, I'm not sure what kind of lift kit it's got. It's got a roll pan in the back. I think he even did a tailgate, yeah, he did the tailgate latch delete on it, which looks absolutely fantastic. I love the way that looks. I'm very, very excited to see where he goes with the build with this truck. Like I said, it's a very clean truck. I'm glad there's another guy rocking the same color as my truck. It's really, really cool, But, man, keep up the good work. I cannot wait to see where you go with this. But other than that, just keep up the good work, man. Can't wait to see it. Next guy on my list. The last three I don't know personally. But anyways, it is 1990 OBS Chevy. He's got a bad, blacked out, murdered out OBS Chevy single cab. Dude, I tell you what, you've got one of the cleanest builds, OBS single cab builds I have seen in a long time. A lot of people ask me what colors would I want in an OBS besides what I've got now, and it's either the red or just a murdered out all black look. And this guy absolutely kills it. Love the wheel set with the hostiles, everything like that. Love the blacked out lenses and stuff like that. Me personally, how I would change it, again, this is just, again, person by person basis. I would put the boost auto tow mirrors on it for OBSs. I think that would really also set that truck off, but the stock mirrors will look really, really good on this build too also. But again, just personal preference. Absolutely love the build, man. Cannot wait to see it in person. Cannot wait to see where you go with it. Just keep up the great work, and we'll see where it goes, man. But awesome, awesome build. Now, the last guy. All right, so this last one on my list is a guy by the name of 5.7 Krubii, or aka Crew Clausen. He's from the northern part of the country, so they do get some snow, but he's got extended cab OBS build, and he's got it leveled out on 20x12s like mine. Absolutely love where you're going with this build, man. I can't, like, you've been talking, I know you've been messaging me, asking me questions about my build and stuff like that, which I very, very much appreciate. He's also a dirt bike rider too, just like me, so that's freaking awesome that there's another OBS guy out there that rides bikes. Maybe one day, man, we can meet up somewhere. If I go up north to go ride or something like that, we can meet up and ride together, make a video for my second channel. If y'all don't know, I have a second channel. I'll be popping up right here called TW After Hours. Everything but truck stuff. So on my dirt bike, hopefully guns coming soon, and some other stuff we've got in the works for that channel. So make sure you check that out, guys. But absolutely awesome build, man. I love the silver on this truck. that'll probably be my fourth color I would pick for an OBS, is the silver. Can't wait to see where you go with it, man. I can't wait to see how much more you're going to do with it. I'm very, very excited to see it. If you have any questions, man, again, never be afraid to hit me up. I try to get back to everybody, guys. It's very hard sometimes. I get a lot of messages. But thank you all so much for the support. But anyways, guys, that's going to do it for the Rate My 5 trucks. Like I said, if you want to be part of this video series, I do post on my story what I'm going to do. I'm going to hopefully make this a weekly series starting into 2021. So hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. If you want to be a part of it, like I said, look for that story on my Instagram and then message me. Like I said, guys, not trying to be mean, but please don't message me if you have a stock or basically stock truck. I don't care if it's leveled. I'm not saying that you have to have a 20-inch lift and everything like that, because most of these trucks on this list were OBS except for Justin's. But I can't really review a stock truck if there's nothing done to it, if that makes sense. I think a lot of you understand that. But like I said, I fully support you all's builds. Trust me, we all start somewhere. This truck was a grandpa truck when I started, so I very much appreciate you all. I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you liked the video, leave a like. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Join the Trucks and Water family. We're growing, changing, and trying new and better things all the time. That being said, I hope you all have a great day, and remember, never give up on your dreams.